another episode of Martin's Auto Spa. Today we're going to be working on this 2018 Dodge Durango SRT. Very beautiful SUV. It's going to get a very thorough wash and decontamination, as well as paint correction for IGL Kenzo, which is our 4-year ceramic coating. Let's take a look now at the vehicle and see what we're working with. Alright, welcome back. So we just finished washing, doing a chemical decontamination and the claying. So we're left with this. We actually had to come inside and open art because the water was freezing on the outside and all the chemicals, the foam and all that was just turning to ice. So I didn't record that process. But let's take it in for a paint inspection real quick and see what we got. Alrighty, so the paint inspection is done. It's not as bad as some of the previous vehicles that we've done. So this thing should be pretty fun. So we're gonna go ahead and start our correction process and make this thing ready for Kenzo. Let's do it. Alright, that about wraps up for the first half of the morning. I just finished up the hood, fender, and this door right here. So I'm going to go eat some lunch. So I'm starving, and if you know me, I love to eat. So I'm going to go do that, and then we'll come back and knock out the rest of this side, probably hit the back side, and start on the other side. Finish that tomorrow. See you then. Alright guys, the correction stage is now complete. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out here and blow this thing off, get all the loose dust off of it, and then I'm going to spray everything down with O&R to get any extra debris off, and then hit it with pre-coat to remove the wax and grease. Sneak peek, she's going to look sexy in Kenzo. Stay tuned. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. What's up? This thing looks sexy, and I'm about ready to coat this thing. I just got to alcohol wipe it down and lay that jank. Lay that Kenzo, baby. Hey guys, welcome back. I have already laid the base coat on of IGL Kenzo, and I let that sit for 2 hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the top coat on now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a time lapse of that, of the installation, and while that's curing for the next 4 hours, I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the interior a little bit, shine the tires up, and get it ready for some after footage. Alright guys, and that's a wrap. This thing is fully coated now with IGL Kenzo for the next 4 years. So it's actually dark outside. I can't do any after footage, but I'm gonna do a walk around with the scan grip to kind of show the afterwards on it. And it's gonna be raining for the next 3 days, so I'm gonna keep it parked in here and hopefully get some sunlight footage. But man, this thing is looking so good. It looks like a big cherry apple.